Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here again. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Mobile Services on your Huawei or Honor device. So without further ado, let's get started. Plug in the USB drive into your phone, just like this. Open Files, later, Categories, USB drive, and extract the file. Current directory, yes. Okay. And now move the Huawei folder into root directory. Replace. Okay. Go back. Settings, system and updates. Backup and restore. Data backup. Backup. Next, external storage. USB storage. And restore the file. The password is Fernando324. I will show you. This is the password. Okay, click on OK and done. Go back, open LZ Play, activate, allow, and tap on the blue bar. Okay, files. And now you have to install the apps from 0 to 5. I will show you. And Google Play Store, done. Go back. What next? Now open this green app. 3 dots. Browser sign in. Now OK. And now you have to type your Gmail account with password. Okay, there is an error, but everything is fine. Go back, files, and you have to install Google Services Framework application. Done. Now go back and tap on next, and we are signed in. That's cool. There is Google Play Protect notification. Very nice. But we need errors. We need Google Play errors. As you can see, Google Play is working fine, but we need errors. Still no errors, okay. If errors won't show up, the solution is very simple. Restart your phone. Okay, we are back. Tap on Play Store. And as you can see, we are in, and notification squad is here. Boom shakalaka. Now go to apps, and search for Google. Google Play Services. First step, and uninstall the application. Okay. Now open Files. And install the sound application, Google Play Services. Okay, click on done. Go back. What next? Open Play Store. Now open Play Store and download some of your favorite apps. 5 or 6. Go back. Now we have to wait until the one application is installed on my device, on your device. In my case, Facebook application. Okay, there is Facebook. So now you have to go to apps, and search for Google. 3 dots, show system processes, Google Services Framework, storage, clear cache, and clear data. Now go back. The apps are still installing on my phone. Very nice. No notification errors, as you can see. Now Google Chrome is installing. So, and the last step is go to settings, apps, and search for Google Play Services. And uninstall Google Play Services, uninstall and deactivate, okay, go back, and the last step is you have to install the last application, GMS-STD, install, done, still no errors. Now restart your device, bros. You can unplug a USB drive, pen drive. Okay, we are in. Now installing YouTube. And that's my channel. So I do hope you enjoyed the video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. I really appreciate your support. Stay safe, wear the mask. And as always, peace out.